Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this review, we'll dive into the details of this perfect AI website called Tax1099. So we're going to see if it's truly live up to the hype as the best e-filing platform. So to get started, Tax1099 is a software from a Zenwork that help you create and e-file your tax from 1099 easily. If you pay a vendor or another person who isn't an employee, you likely need to file 1099 form with the IRS. So tax1099.com makes this simpler. You can collect tax info from your recipient and import data from the Excel or other program like Xero. It's like you handling different 1099s like the 1099 NEC. So you can even upload your forms and fix error. Many accountants and CPA firms use this provider for processing these forms for their clients. It offers integration with other tools to make the whole process smooth. Now talking about the best features you stand to gain on this platform, Tax 1099 isn't just another way to file a tax. It has some really neat tools that make the whole process of handling 1099 much simpler and less stressful. So let's look at 5 of the best things it could do for you. So one of the best things it could do for you is it can help you import your data and management. It can also help manage the recipient, also state payrolls filing history for you, and also tax form filing. It also comes with a 10th match report and other key important features like that. So talking about the pros and cons, choosing the right e-filing platform is important. Understanding the good and bad point of Tax 1099 can help you to decide if it is your need. And here is a quick look at the main advantages and disadvantages of this platform. So talking about the advantages, it is easy to e-file a different tax form. It also save time by letting you upload data. It also help you reduce error in your filing and also integrate with Xero and Excel easily. It also comes with a good managing. It's good for managing many recipients. Now talking about the downside, which is the cost can add up for many filing, extra fee for mailing and 10th match. It also comes with a state e-filing cost extra in some places. It might have a learning curve at first, so you need to take a deep trip while running these features because it takes a little bit time to study. So let me know in the comment below what you think about this powerful AI website. Thanks.